छुपी हुई है एक कहानी हर एक जीव में। हर सेल का अपना है एक राज जो हम समझ न पाए। छोटी सी दुनिया है एक महान सफर, जिंदगी की जद हर एक चीज से जुड़ती है, ये सच है सफर।
जिंदगी की जद है हर जगह, हर सेल में है कुछ खास, हर एक साथ जिंदगी है एक डांस, एक रंगों से भरा। आओ समझे इस दुनिया को जहाँ सब कुछ है प्यारा।
DNA से लेकर हर एक मॉलिक्यूल तक, हर एक सेल की कहानी है एक मैजिक का जादू। उस रात तक जहाँ तक नजर जाए हर चीज है कनेक्टेड। जिंदगी की जद सब कुछ है रिस्पेक्टेड।
जिंदगी की जद है हर जगह, हर सेल में है कुछ खास, हर एक साथ जिंदगी है एक डांस, एक रंगों से भरा। आओ समझे इस दुनिया को जहाँ सब कुछ है प्यारा।
तो आज से ज्वाइन हो जाओ इस सफर में हमारे साथ। लाइफ के हर एक राज को समझो, हो जाओ साथ साथ। सब्सक्राइब करो और साइंस का मैजिक देखो, जिंदगी की जद को समझो, हर वीडियो में कुछ सीखो। तो आज ही सब्सक्राइब करो।
Dive into the world, secrets so small. Life begins inside every cell standing tall. From a tiny spark to a glowing light, cells are the stars in the dance of life tonight. And every little cell, a miracle's call. Building up strong, never let us fall. From the heartbeat to the breath we take, dancing in rhythm, no mistake. Oh, dance of life, let it shine bright. Cells in motion in the night. Twinkling stars, cells unite in the dance, dance of life, oh so right. Feel the energy in every beat. Connections flow, oh so sweet. From head to toe, in perfect harmony. Last dance, setting us free. Ooh yeah, the rhythm's flowing strong. Every cell is singing our song. Feel the pulse, in sync we belong. Together in this dance, all night long. Oh, oh, oh. Dance of life, let it shine bright. Cells in motion in the night. Twinkling stars, cells unite in the dance, dance of life, oh so right.
From the tiniest spark to the stars above, the game of life begins with love. Inside every being, small worlds collide, a dance of cells where dreams reside.
It starts with a cell so small, so wise, a little powerhouse where life will rise. Mitochondria is the spark, the energy flows. DNA's the script where the story grows. The nucleus, the brain, the cytoplasm's the seed. Together they work in perfect harmony. Proteins are the builders, they know what to do, playing their roles in this life's breakthrough. Move and divide, the players take their place. Build in the body a masterpiece in space. One by one they unite to survive. The game of life, keeping it alive. In the game of life, we rise and thrive. Cells unite. cells guard their warrior strong, fighting invaders, righting every wrong. Neurons send signals, a lightning fast stream, helping us think and dream every dream. Blood cells are the rivers, carrying life. Oxygen flows, ending the strife. Tissues to organs, the system's complete. The players of life, they never miss a beat.
Billions of years from oceans to the skies, life evolved as the players strategize. One cell to many, the story unfolds. A tapestry of life in its infinite molds. Prana flows through every vein, the rhythm of life, a universal chain. Final.
In the game of life, we rise and thrive. Cells unite, keeping dreams alive. Energy flows as the rhythm grows. Life's a dance, everyone knows. In the game of life, we rise and thrive. Cells unite, keeping dreams alive. Together we move, together we grow. The story of life, the only game we know.
Archaea often live in extreme environments such as hot springs, the bottom of anoxic lakes. The genetic information of ancient nucleated cells is small, and it is the earliest organism in the world.
From cells to stars, we're all
Paramecia are unicellular eukaryotic organisms that are heterotrophs, subsisting upon bacteria, other protists, and decaying organic material. Paramecia are microscopic and consist of membrane-bound organelles such as micronuclei, and contractile vacuoles. Noctiluca, genus of marine dinoflagellate in the family Noctilucaceae, consisting of a single species, Noctiluca scintillans, or N. miliaris, one of the most commonly occurring bioluminescent organisms in coastal regions of the world. Spriggina is a genus of extinct bilaterian animals that lived approximately 550 million years ago during the Ediacaran period. Spriggina fossils have been found in what is now South Australia. The official fossil emblem of South Australia is Spriggina flounders. Pacoichthyes is an extinct genus of craniate, or animal with a distinct head and notochord, that lived during the Cambrian explosion 518 million years ago. It was the first vertebrate and the ancestor of all vertebrates. Dionea is an extinct genus of Lobopodian panarthropid found in the lower Cambrian Maotian shale of China, represented by a single species, D. cactiformis. Known during its investigation by the nickname walking cactus, this organism belongs to a group known as the armored Lobopodians. Olanoides follow the basic structure of all trilobites: a cephalon, head shield, a thorax with 7 jointed parts, and finally a semicircular pygidium. Its antennae were long and curved back along its side. Nomalocaridids, unlike other shrimp, or eabnormal shrimp, is an extinct genus of Radiodon, an order of early diverging stemroot marine arthropods.
Pristolepis is a genus of fish in the family Pristolopididae, sometimes classified in the order Anabaniformes native to freshwater habitats in Southeast Asia and India's Western Ghats. This genus is the only member of its family. Megalograptus is a genus of Eurypterid, an extinct group of aquatic arthropods. Fossils of Megalograptus have been recovered in deposits of Cation, late Ordovician, age in North America. Edrocassus is an extinct genus of giant radiodont arthropod belonging to the family Herdiidae that lived 480 million years ago during the early Ordovician in the Fezzuata Formation of Morocco. It is known by a single species, Edrocassus bemeli. Van Roy initiated scientific study of the fossil, the earliest known of a giant filter feeder discovered to date. Nautilus, From Latin nautilus, paper nautilus. From ancient Greek nu alpha upsilon tau lambda omicron nautilos. Little sailor are the ancient pelagic marine mollusk species of the cephalopod family Nautilidae. This is the sole extant family of the superfamily Nautilaceae and the suborder Nautilina.
The fish, named Entelognathus primordialis, was a 20-centimeter long placoderm, an extinct class of armor-plated fishes, the first known animals to evolve true jaws. Like other placoderms, Entelognathus had armored plates, but it also had more advanced jawbones, features previously seen only in osteichthyes, bony fishes. Bothriolipis, genus of extinct fishes of the order Antiarcha, class Placodermae, characteristic of the Middle and Late Devonian, from about 387 million to 360 million years ago. The front end of Bothriolipis was very heavily encased in bony armor. The eyes were located on top of the head shield and situated very close to the light-receptive pineal eye. Guiu was initially described as a basal lobe-finned fish with anatomical features of both ray-finned and lobe-finned fishes. Guiu sheds light on the early diversification of bony fishes. This clade, the Osteichthyans, splits in two clades: the lobe-finned fishes, Sarcopterygians, and the ray-finned fishes, Actinopterygians. Eurypterids, often informally called sea scorpions, are a group of extinct marine arthropods that form the order Eurypterida. The earliest known Eurypterids date to the Darwinian stage of the Ordovician period, 467.3 million years ago. The group is likely to have appeared first, either during the early Ordovician or late Cambrian period. Brontoscorpio is an extinct genus of scorpion that lived in the early Devonian. Remains of the only known species, Brontoscorpio anglicus, were discovered in the St. Mawns Formation, 1-2 Lochcovian aged, previously also considered as late Silurian, 3 sandstone from Trimpley, Worcestershire. Microbrachius dicki is an extinct genus of tiny advanced antiarch placoderms closely related to the Bothriolapids. Specimens range in age from the Lower Devonian late Emsian stage, 393.3 million years ago, to the Middle Devonian Upper Gavetian stage, 382.7 million years ago. They are characterized by having large heads with short thoracic armor of an average length of 2 to 4 centimeters. Microbrachius dicki is the earliest placoderm invertebrate that shows evidence of internal fertilization. Martapiscis, Latin for mother fish, is a genus of tictodontide placoderm from the late Devonian period, about 380 million years ago. A fossil of this armored placoderm shows an embryo and umbilical cord inside its body. So Martapiscis is the oldest known vertebrate to show viviparity, giving birth to live young. Tongxenia is an extinct genus of basal tetrapodomorph bony fish known from the approximately 409 million years ago, early Devonian, of northeastern Yunnan province, China. Its remains were discovered in the Posongchong Formation. It is the basal most known tetrapodomorph. Saurolepis is an extinct genus of prehistoric basal lobe-finned fish which lived 400 to 410 million years ago. Many relatives of Saurolepis have been found with other groups of fishes. And paleontologists are not certain in which taxonomic group it belongs. Fossils have been found from the late Silurian period, Predoli, to early Devonian, Lochcovian, in South China, of Kujing, Yunnan. Dunkleosteus is an extinct genus of large arthrodire, jointed neck fish that existed during the late Devonian period, about 382 to 358 million years ago. It was a pelagic fish inhabiting open waters and one of the first vertebrate apex predators of any ecosystem.